Huh. Now we are talking about the Union Executive, the President as well as the Vice President. History and Civics, Class 7. What is the executive? You listen to me. The branch of the government that puts the laws made by legislature. Actually, there are three parts: legislative, executive, judicial. The legislative make the laws and executive put the laws into practice. That is the work of executive. It executes the laws of the legislature so that they may be applicable to the people of the country for whom these laws are made. It also enforces the law upon the people. That is, if you do not abide by this law, this will happen. Okay. Now, they tell the consequences also. Now, India, we know it has a federal structure of government. That means there are two levels, one at the center and the other at the state level. Union Executive of India consists of, you're doing President, Vice President, Prime Minister, and the other Council of Ministers. Now, what are the qualifications for President and Vice President of India? Now, in order to be President of India, an individual must be a citizen of India. He must be at least 35 years of age. He should have all the qualifications necessary to become the member of the Lok Sabha, and he should also be a registered voter. And in order to be a vice president, what are the criteria? First, wahi, citizen of India, at least 35 years of age, all the qualifications needed to become a member of the Rajya Sabha. Usme tha Lok Sabha, this is Rajya Sabha, and he should be a registered voter too. Now, the president and vice president both are elected, we know, for a term of 5 years. Now, we can have a comparative study of the tables, which I'll produce with this video, okay, this table, because this we have already discussed now. Now, what do you know about the president as the head of the Indian Union? But the president, he's the nominal head. Head, titular head. Head in naam mein khali. Actual head kintu wahi prime minister hi hai. Now the prime minister, along with the Union Council of Ministers, he is the real head. So nominal, can I tick? So nominal head is the president and prime minister is the real head. All the powers and functions of the president are actually carried out by prime minister. Now the president must act only according to the advice of prime minister and his council. Now, we will put a comparative study of president and prime minister, which we will also produce with this video. Now, we know the president is elected for a term of 5 years. What is the method of election? Can you tell me? Is it a direct election? Do we put vote to him?
No.
No, it's an indirect election. He is elected by the Electoral College, which is a fixed group of individuals who vote. उसमें कौन-कौन है? Elected members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha होंगे, and elected members of the state legislative assemblies, that is Vidhan Sabhas bhi honge. Now, what is the termination rule of the president? He may be removed from office by what? By a particular process which is called impeachment. The process of removal of president by the parliament is known as impeachment. Now, impeachment is done in 3 cases. What are they? if he is found guilty of violating the laws of the constitution, if he has done some treason or due to some corruption.